Welcome to our exploration of Hungary, a country that boasts a rich cultural heritage and breathtaking landscapes that will leave you in awe. Nestled in the heart of Europe, Hungary is a treasure trove of history, art, and natural beauty. From the majestic Danube River that gracefully winds through its capital, Budapest, to the serene beauty of Lake Balaton, the largest lake in Central Europe, Hungary offers a diverse array of stunning sights that cater to every traveler's taste. As we embark on this journey, we will delve into the vibrant traditions that shape Hungary's identity, including its world-renowned cuisine, folk music, and colorful festivals. The country is steeped in history, with architectural marvels that tell tales of its past, such as the iconic Parliament building and the historic Buda Castle. Each corner of Hungary is infused with stories waiting to be uncovered, making it a captivating destination for those eager to learn and explore. In this video, we aim to engage and inform you about the most amazing places in Hungary that deserve a spot on your travel bucket list. Whether you are a history buff, a nature lover, or simply seeking new adventures, Hungary has something special for everyone. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the wonders of Hungary, where every moment is an opportunity to experience the beauty and charm of this enchanting country. Budapest, the Pearl of the Danube. Budapest, the capital of Hungary, is often referred to as the Pearl of the Danube, and for good reason. This stunning city is a harmonious blend of history, culture, and breathtaking architecture that captivates visitors from around the globe. One of the most iconic landmarks is the Hungarian Parliament building, a magnificent structure that stands proudly along the banks of the Danube River. Its neo-Gothic design and intricate details make it a must-see, especially when illuminated at night, casting a magical glow over the city. Another gem is Buda Castle, perched atop Castle Hill, offering panoramic views of the city below. This historic castle complex is not only a UNESCO World Heritage Site but also a testament to Budapest's rich history, showcasing the evolution of Hungarian architecture and culture over the centuries. As you wander through its halls, you can feel the echoes of the past, making it a significant stop for history enthusiasts. Budapest is also renowned for its vibrant culture, which comes alive in its bustling nightlife and famous thermal baths. The city's thermal baths, such as the Széchenyi and Gellért, provide a unique experience, allowing visitors to relax and rejuvenate in naturally heated waters while soaking in the stunning surroundings. As the sun sets, the nightlife flourishes, with ruined bars and lively clubs offering a taste of the city's energetic spirit. With its historical importance and UNESCO World Heritage status, Budapest is not just a city to visit, it is a destination that invites exploration and appreciation of its beauty and significance. Lake Balaton, the jewel of Hungary. Lake Balaton, often referred to as the Jewel of Hungary, is the largest lake in Central Europe and a beloved summer destination for both locals and tourists. This stunning body of water, often called the Hungarian Sea, is surrounded by picturesque towns that each offer their own unique charm and attractions. Siófok, known for its vibrant nightlife and beautiful beaches, is a favorite among young travelers looking to soak up the sun and enjoy the lively atmosphere. Just a short distance away, Tihany enchants visitors with its stunning views, historic abbey, and lavender fields, making it a perfect spot for a leisurely day trip. The recreational activities available at Lake Balaton are endless, catering to all types of adventurers. Sailing on the lake's calm waters is a popular pastime, allowing visitors to experience the breathtaking scenery from a unique perspective. Swimming in the warm, shallow waters is a refreshing way to cool off during the hot summer months, while hiking along the scenic trails that wind through the surrounding hills offers a chance to explore the natural beauty of the region. Lake Balaton's role as a summer getaway cannot be overstated. Its sandy beaches, charming towns, and diverse recreational options make it a perfect escape for families, couples, and solo travelers alike. Whether you're lounging by the water, indulging in local cuisine, or exploring the vibrant towns, Lake Balaton promises an unforgettable experience that showcases the beauty and allure of Hungary. The caves of Aggtelek National Park. Nestled in the northern part of Hungary, Aggtelek National Park is home to some of the most stunning caves in the country, showcasing a remarkable array of geological formations and rich biodiversity. The park is renowned for its extensive limestone cave system, which features unique stalactites, stalagmites, and breathtaking underground chambers that have been shaped over millions of years. These natural wonders not only captivate visitors with their beauty but also serve as vital habitats for various species, including bats and rare cave-dwelling organisms, making the caves a hotspot for biodiversity. Recognized for its exceptional natural value, Aktelik National Park has earned a UNESCO World Heritage designation, highlighting its significance on a global scale. This prestigious status reflects the park's commitment to preserving its unique geological and ecological features, ensuring that future generations can appreciate its wonders. Exploring the caves of Aktelik National Park is an adventure like no other. Visitors can embark on guided cave tours that provide fascinating insights into the park's geology and history, allowing them to experience the enchanting underground world firsthand. For those who prefer to stay above ground, the park offers a network of hiking trails that wind through its picturesque landscapes, providing opportunities to discover the diverse flora and fauna that thrive in this protected area. Whether you're an avid caver, a nature enthusiast, or simply seeking a unique experience, the caves of Aktelik National Park invite you to explore their hidden treasures and immerse yourself in the beauty of Hungary's natural heritage. Eger, a historical gem. Eger, a charming city in northern Hungary, is often celebrated as a historical gem, rich in cultural heritage and significant landmarks. One of its most prominent attractions is the famous Eger Castle, a formidable fortress that played a crucial role in Hungarian history. Known for its heroic defense against the Ottoman invasion in 1552, the castle stands as a symbol of national pride and resilience. Visitors can explore its well-preserved walls, enjoy panoramic views of the city, and delve into the fascinating history that shaped this remarkable site. Beyond its historical significance, Eger is also renowned for its vibrant wine culture, particularly the celebrated Egri Bikaver, or bull's blood. This full-bodied red wine has gained international acclaim and is a testament to the region's rich viticultural traditions. Wine enthusiasts can visit local wineries and vineyards, where they can sample this iconic wine and learn about the winemaking process that has been perfected over centuries. Eger's charm extends beyond its historical sites and wine culture. The city is adorned with stunning Baroque architecture, with highlights including the stunning Eger Cathedral and the ornate Minaret Church. Strolling through the picturesque streets, visitors can admire the intricate facades and vibrant atmosphere that define this enchanting city. Additionally, Eger is home to several thermal baths, offering a perfect opportunity to relax and rejuvenate after a day of exploration. The combination of history, culture, and natural beauty makes Eger a must-visit destination for anyone looking to experience the rich tapestry of Hungary's past and present. Pécs, a cultural mosaic. Pécs, a vibrant city in southern Hungary, is a true cultural mosaic that reflects a rich tapestry of history and artistic expression. One of the city's most remarkable features is its well-preserved Roman ruins, which serve as a testament to its ancient past. The remnants of the early Christian tombs, particularly the UNESCO World Heritage-listed early Christian necropolis, offer a fascinating glimpse into the lives of those who once inhabited this area. Visitors can explore the intricate frescoes and burial chambers that date back to the 4th century, immersing themselves in the city's historical significance. Beyond its ancient heritage, Pécs boasts a thriving arts scene that captivates both locals and tourists alike. The city is home to numerous museums and galleries, showcasing a diverse range of artistic styles and cultural artifacts. The Zsolnay Cultural Quarter, named after the famous porcelain manufacturer, is a hub for creativity, featuring contemporary art exhibitions, workshops, and performances that celebrate the city's artistic spirit. The vibrant atmosphere is further enhanced by various cultural events and festivals held throughout the year, drawing artists and performers from around the globe. In recognition of its rich cultural offerings, Pécs was designated as a European Capital of Culture in 2010, a title that highlights its commitment to promoting cultural diversity and fostering artistic innovation. This accolade has further solidified Pécs as a must-visit destination for those seeking to experience Hungary's dynamic cultural landscape. With its blend of history, art, and community, Pécs invites exploration and appreciation of its unique heritage. In this video, we have journeyed through the remarkable landscapes and cultural treasures of Hungary, uncovering the many reasons why this country is a must-visit destination. From the stunning beauty of Budapest, with its iconic landmarks like the Parliament Building and Buda Castle, to the serene shores of Lake Balaton, known as the Jewel of Hungary, we have explored the diverse attractions that await travelers. We also delved into the natural wonders of Aktelik National Park, where the breathtaking caves and unique geological formations offer a glimpse into the country's rich biodiversity. Additionally, we highlighted the historical significance of Eger, with its formidable castle and renowned wine culture, as well as the cultural mosaic of Pécs, where ancient Roman ruins and a vibrant arts scene come together to create a dynamic atmosphere. Each of these locations showcases Hungary's incredible cultural richness and historical depth, inviting visitors to immerse themselves in its stories and experiences. We encourage you to explore these wonders for yourself, whether it's wandering through the charming streets of Eger, relaxing by the shores of Lake Balaton, or discovering the artistic spirit of Pécs. Hungary is a land filled with hidden gems waiting to be uncovered. If you enjoyed this journey through Hungary, please consider subscribing to our channel for more travel content. Don't forget to like and share this video with fellow travel enthusiasts, so they too can discover the amazing places and cultural richness that Hungary has to offer. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more destinations with you soon.